Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm going to explain to you on how my RFID system works. So first I'm going to explain to you the equipment that we're going to use. So we have one laptop over here, we have a router over here, and we have the RFID reader from Convergence System Limited, and we have one antenna being plugged into the system. So this is what we're going to use as a user. What they will see is that there we have the access to the apps. So this is how the apps are going to look like. So we have the customer login, staff login. We have a page selection where people can see whether they want to give the feedback, see the inspection list or inspection center. For example, they're going to see inspection center. They can select state, for example, Penang. So there is a list of information over here. So they can go back to the home page. So moving on to how you're going to use this app. First, as a customer, you'll be given a password for you to access the information. For example, in this case, your password is 1234. So you click on customer login, they will direct you to a page where you can actually see all the information. So you can see here the reader, the B1, B2, B3 and so on. So if you click on check result, it gives you a more comprehensive result. So you'll be redirected to another web page. So you can see here read only. So you can see much more further information over here. So this is how the apps look like. So how the apps actually works. So first of all, this is the system that we're going to use. So the system will detect all the necessary information from the reader. So we have the tag ID, capture point. So first thing that we need to do is you save text to file and then save it to the RFID data. So you click save and then yes, you want to replace the information. So that is part one. So next what you need to do is that, because we want to simulate the connection, so what we can do is that we can make an we can update instantaneously instead of hourly or anything. So you click update over here and then we have to wait for a while because there is no changes in the file that I've saved before. So basically there is no changes, but if there is changes, you will see over here. So basically, as you can see before, we have bunch of data. So what we did is that we edit the connection. So we put on the setting. So we filter by SQL. So we select which table that we want. So once you update the information over here, you can see the information being displayed in the apps that I've shown you before. So let us review again. So this is the apps. So you can go back to your home page. So you put again your password is 1234, customer login. So might take a while because of the internet connection. So you can see the live update according to this one. So okay, if you are a staff login, so you have another password 4321. So basically, because you are accessing using customer profile, you still see the same information. But if you go to database, it will still redirect you to the very same read-only access, because you don't have the access towards the proper database. So as you can see here, let's make a bit clear. Yeah, it's still read-only. But if you're accessing using a proper tools, the proper profile, you can actually edit all the information here. So here you can only read only. So I think that's it so far. Thank you.